Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Summer Reading Club program in ReadSquared, how to log your reading and complete missions to earn points, and how to redeem those points for raffle tickets. First, go to our homepage at washcolibrary.org. Under Events and Programs, click on the link for Summer Reading Club. Here you can find info about Summer Reading Club, link to the events calendar, or look at flyers for each challenge. Alternatively, you can sign up by downloading the ReadSquared app from your device's App Store. Click Sign Up Today. You can choose yourself only, yourself and other readers, or group or class. I'm going to choose myself and other readers. This is the primary account holder. You're going to select the age. For this person, I'm going to say 19 plus. And you can see that will automatically enroll that reader into the correct program. So this is an adult, so they're in the 2026 Adults Unearth a Story. Now we're going to put the reader's information. All the fields with a red asterisk are required. Email is not, but highly recommended. Put the library branch and create a username. Passwords must be 7 characters in length and contain at least one number and one letter. Click Continue. And you can see that's it for our primary account holder. Now we have additional reader 2. Typically this will be the children or another reader in the household. We're going to say that this second reader is 16 years old. This is our teen, and our teen's enrolled in the teen program. It gives the parent or guardian's name, and we have to select a school. So we're going to say Barbara Ingram School and school grade 10th. And all the accounts that are under the primary account holder do not require a username or password. However, you can create separate ones if you prefer. And continue on with everyone else in the household. Let's say we have a 7-year-old. And our 7-year-old goes to Bester and is in 3rd grade. And when we're done adding readers, just click Done. Okay. And now how to log your reading. So first go to Logging, click Log, and this will bring up our reading activity. This is logged per day of reading. If you would like to put the book title and author, you can. If you'd like to add a book review, you can. However, these are not required. And once you are done, click Submit. And that's it. That's how you log your reading. You can see we've earned 1 point for logging that day. Next, we have missions. Our missions are extra activities that we can do to earn extra points in order to enter raffles. So let's say we want to complete this mission. Most missions have 3 activities within the mission. You must complete all 3 in order to complete the total mission. Each activity will earn you 5 points. Once you've completed the entire mission, you get an extra 15 points. So you can see each one earns me 5 points. And now I've completed that mission. To see my total number of points, go to History. Your history will show you the total number of points, how many days of reading you've logged, and you can see any prizes you've won and whether you need to pick those up. You earn prizes by logging the number of days read. You earn a prize at registration. You earn another prize at the midpoint, and that is when you've read 15 days. And then you earn another prize, the finisher prize, once you've read for 30 days. Make sure to visit your local library to pick up your prizes. Now, earning the points also allows you to enter our raffles. I got there by prize raffles and then click on Get Tickets. And you can see here, each ticket is worth 15 points. Once you've earned that 15 points, you can select whatever raffle you'd like to enter. Choose the number of raffle tickets you wish to buy. Let's say I'm just going to do one. Okay. But I still have enough points, 16. I can enter another one. So let's say I want the Create a Candle gift set. And now I've used up my points and I've entered my raffles. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy summer reading.